Good morning, friends. Hope you are also enjoying your morning. Here, I'm sitting in my garden, and it's Udaipur city, known as City of Lakes. I'm from India, and Rajasthan state. You see, so weather is very pleasant here. I'm sitting in my garden, enjoying the weather and trying to make this bird figure, robin bird figure on a cotton top. Like make some outlines and so that it will look good. This is the body of, hope you are able to see this. Like very simple figure, very light sketching. So it should look pleasing to eyes and should not be, it's not a complicated figure, very small figure like this, and this is eye. It can be even closer to this part. This is okay. Now I will start coloring it. Yes, I think it's visible. Again, stretch the cloth on the frame tightly. Like this. Once the sketching part is done, then you can start with this coloring part, which is quite easy. I will use simple acrylic colors to paint this. You see, this is, first I want to use white color like this. White fabric paint, regular type of fabric paint I am using. We can finish it very fast. It's a very simple and easy drawing, and the process of making the bird, it's very enjoyable, very soothing, just like warmth of sunlight. This is also very soothing. White color, I'll use a little bit of peach color, just like to give a feather structure. Is it visible? Again, little bit of white. And very little brown. Okay, then next color, to give it feathery look, we will dab the brush like this. Okay, now next, for the bust part, I will use red color, deep red. It will look very nice. Wow, the red color is always very bright and attracts the eyes, eye-catching color. So in my garden every day I watch many birds doing their daily activities. Some are black, some are small, some are colorful, some are very few of them are golden birds, black bird with little bit of white stripes. Many variety of birds every day I watch doing their daily activities in my garden, chasing insects, butterflies. And there is a family of kitten also, so they are also running after the birds. When I water the plants, some of the birds they start taking bath with their small feathers. Very interesting to watch these beautiful creatures. And it is already said that early birds catches the worm. Early bird catches the worm, so and their activity starts very early in the morning, like this. First we'll do this red color, single stroke, then I will use a little bit of peach color to give it a feathery look like this. Use these strokes. Very easy to make. For the rest of the body, I am using brown shade.